Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing Tekken 7 and backing up your saves and config folder. This protects preferences. Next, open Steam, go to your library, right-click Tekken 7 and choose Properties, then the Language tab. Pick the language you want and let Steam download required localization files. This ensures menus and subtitles shift correctly. Once done, make sure Steam finishes updates. Then launch the game so it can apply the new text and audio assets at startup. If the change didn't stick, open Tekken 7 and inspect options. Display and audio language toggles sometimes remain set independently, so change subtitles or voice language there. Next, verify integrity via Steam properties, right arrow local files, right arrow verify integrity. This repairs missing localization files. Also disable Steam overlay temporarily and restart Steam. Sometimes cached data blocks new language packs. If problems persist, restart your PC to clear locks and let the game load fresh assets on the next. To finalize, confirm in-game menus display correctly and test a match to ensure voices and text match. If language still reverts, close Steam and rename the Tekken 7 config folder to force a fresh configuration, then relaunch so the game recreates clean settings. If Steam shows missing files, reselect the language to trigger a re-download. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see write errors, run Steam and Tekken as administrator so the game can update config files. This often resolves stubborn language change failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.